Arrive in style with this 2015 Hyundai Veloster. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 132 horsepower, 3 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-dash, cruise control and daytime running lights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.